Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. Today's first question is: which state government was launched the Chief Minister Mukhyamantri Anuprati coaching scheme for providing free education? Answer is Rajasthan. Rajya Sarkar will prepare a merit list to select student for free CM coaching yojana. Number 2, who won the Nature TTI Photography Award in 2021? Answer is Thomas Vijayan. Kerala-based Thomas Vijayan, who is now settled in Canada, he won the 2021 Nature TTL Photography Award for his photo of an orangutan clinging to a tree. The photograph is titled "The World is Going Upside Down." Number 3. Assam government names Raimona Reserve Forest 6th National Park in which district? Kokrajhar district. Raimon in Kokrajhar district has become Assam's 6th national park. The 422 square feet wildlife habitat in Kokrajhar district adjoin the westernmost buffer to Manas Tiger Reserve. The 5 national parks that exist prior to the 422 square kilometer Raimona are Kaziranga, Manas, Nameri, Orang and Dibru Saikhowa. Which country hosts inaugural FIH Hockey 5S World Cup in 2024? Answer is Oman. Oman has been named as the host of inaugural International Hockey Federation Hockey 5S World Cup. The FIH said themes and women's events will take place in Oman's capital city, Muscat, in January 2024. Number 5. Who was appointed as Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force? Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Ace fighter pilot Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary has been appointed as the next Vice Chief of Air Staff in the Air Headquarters. Number 6. Which IT firm became the third company in India who touch a market value of rupees 3 trillion? Answer is Wipro. Wipro on Thursday touches rupees 3 trillion in market capitalization for the first time, becoming the third Indian IT firm to achieve the milestone after Tata Consultancy Service and Infosys. Number 7. Who appointed as ODI of the Afghanistan cricket team and captain of test team? Answer is Hasmatullah Sadidi. As per the decision, left-handed Hasmatullah Sadidi is appointed the new ODI and test captain of the national team, while Rahmat Saha will serve as the vice captain for both formats, the CAB said in an official release. Number 8. Who was recently appointed as the new Chief Secretary of Tripura State? Answer is Alok Kumar. Alok is presently posted as Additional Secretary in the Cabinet Secretary in New Delhi in 1990 batch IAS officer. Number 9. Which city will be developed as India's first e-vehicle only city? Answer is Kevadia. Even them promotion of biofuel of better environment launched 300 e-pilot project in Pune. Number 10. Eagle Act, which was making news recently, is associated with which country? Answer is USA. A bipartisan legislation was reintroduced in the US House of Representatives to eliminate the pre-country cap on employment-based green card. This new law is called the Eagle Act 2021. Number 11. India elected to UN ECOSOC. India has been elected to the United Nations Economic and Social Council ECOSOC for the term 2022 to 2024. The ECOSOC is at the center of the United Nations development system and bring together people and issues to promote collective action for the sustainable world. India was elected in the Asia Pacific state category along with Afghanistan, Kazakhstan and Oman in the election held on Monday. Ladakh and Meghalaya signed MOUs with CESL Energy Service Limited. Number 12, ISRO developed 3 types of ventilators. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO has developed 3 types of ventilator to battle with COVID-19. Low cost and portable critical care ventilator Prana. Programmable respiratory assistance for the needy aid is based on automated compression of an AMBU, artificial manual breathing unit, bag. The other 2 ventilators are Vayu and Swasta. Number 13. Every year June 6 is observed as World Pest Day. In which of the following year the World First Pest Day was observed? In 2017. World Pest Day, also known as the World Pest Awareness Day, is observed on June 6 every year. The objective behind celebrating this day is to create awareness of how pest management helps preserve the quality of life for people. Number 14. India's first international maritime cluster to set up Gift City by GMB. Gujarat Maritime Board GMB set as India's first international maritime service cluster at Gift City, Gujarat International Finance Tech City in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, to enhance competitiveness and self-sufficiency of India in the maritime sector and provide a one-stop solution for the entire maritime group. Number 15. Sunil Chhetri passes Lionel Messi in international goals. 36-year-old Indian footballer Sunil Chhetri has surpassed Argentina's Lionel Messi and has become second highest active international goal scorer with 74 strikes. Light Chhetri now leads Barcelona star Messi by 2 goals and is placed above Ali Mapkod of UAE, who is at 3rd place in 73 strikes. Number 16. Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan. Niti Aayog and Piramal Foundation launched Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan to provide home care support symptomatic COVID-19 patient or patients with mild symptoms. Number 17. June 6 is dedicated to celebrate which official language organized by the United Nations? Answer is Russia. The UN Russia Language Day is observed annually on 6 June. It is one of the 6 languages used by the United Nations throughout the organization. Number 18. New blue whale population found in Indian Ocean via bomb detector data. UNSW Sydney-led scientists claim to have found a new population of Phagmai blue whale in Indian Ocean using bomb detector data. They use data for the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty Organization are found an unusual strong signal, a whale song that has previously been identified in recordings. Number 19. Russia's first full-stage naval ship. Russia is building its first naval ship which will be fully equipped with shield technology. Stealth technology will to make it hard to detect. Key point: hull of the Mercury naval corvette dubbed Project 20386 is ready and vessels is expected to be delivered to Navy in 2022. Number 20, the last question. Maldives Foreign Minister elected as UNGA President. Foreign Minister of Maldives Abdullah Sahid was elected as new President of UN General Assembly. Key point: Abdullah Sahid was against Afghanistan former Foreign Minister Jalmal Razol with 3 or 4 majorities. He fetched 143 votes while Razol got 48 votes out of 191 votes polled. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you so much.